You signed Nerf bar.
Well, almost zip tie.
Signed Nerf bar.
Yeah, I'm probably going fucking 50 miles an hour.
You gotta take it easy. Thank God you have your seatbelt.
Look at the tree on the hood.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
dude. All I know is
I went 30 plowed up.
it's my tire, dude.
Dude, I know.
Yeah, look,
you can
look,
see
look.
your tire marks.